I am co-coordinator of this program. Our valedictory session is about to begin. Dear participants, who are also faculty from different colleges across the country, our 5-day long AICTE sponsored Atal FDP, organized by our institute, IICT Bhadohi, has reached the last session. This was a this was a week-long faculty development program, and we all had plenty of new learning experiences. The goal of this program was to develop a new interest for sustainable methods in all walks of life, and all the faculties attended the session showed great enthusiasm throughout the week. Feedback is one of the important components of any program. This will help us to improve in the future, and without wasting much time, I would like to call upon the participants, Dr. Mukul Nama, Department of Civil Engineering, Jaipur. Please give feedback of this program. Dr. Mukul Nama, please.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, Betty ma'am. I am audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
Yes. So, good afternoon, all dignitaries and all session speakers and participants. I am Mukul Nama, Professor and Deputy Head of the Civil Engineering Department, Purnima Institute of Engineering and Technology, Jaipur. PIT is a first private college in Rajasthan who have NBA in Department of Civil Engineering. So, I really enjoy this week. It has been insightful, and I like the way it was delivered. The starting of this FDP was very energetic for all participants. After the inaugural session 1 to session 14 are very meaningful and knowledgeable sessions for all participants. This program has been very helpful in providing me with self-interaction for my wandering mind, as well as helping me for the more control. I'm really thanks to Dr. Shiva Pariti, Dr. Sangeeta, Dr. M.K. Mondal, Dr. Neetu, Dr. Suman, Dr. Manoj, Dr. Parag, Dr. A. Shri Kumar, Dr. Sunil, Dr. Ashok, Mr. Kedarnath, Dr. Binumal, Dr. Rakesh, Dr. R.K. Malik for giving the meaningful knowledge for us. So I'm really thanks to organizing team of the for conducting this type of FDP, and thank you ma'am, thank you all.
हेलो
श्रवण जी, नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट को बुला दीजिए.
Will I be invited or should I go ahead with my feedback?
Yes, Dr. Kadirvelu, you can start.
Okay. Good afternoon to one and all present here. At the outset, I would like to give the feedback as 4 points. The first thing, the program itself was well conceived and executed. Basically, all the contents, presentations, deliberations were very good. The topics also had been chosen in a nice manner, and the presentations were very rich with practical examples. Really, all the presenters and organizers had done a very good job of it. I'm really thankful for giving me an opportunity to attend this program, and I'm also thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to give feedback about this program. And the only thing what I had felt was about the videos. Good. These days, the multimedia content about the topic is much more effective in reaching the audience or spectators, whatever way we call. So the presenters could have given some example videos. I know they had already done a good job of it, and they had given practical examples in all the cases, and the topics also were well chosen and all. But even then, the only thing what I missed was the video content. Well, this could be new. Basically, when we are asked to present, we will only do the PowerPoint presentation, and if videos were included, the presentations could be far-reaching in taking the message across. Finally, I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity. And this is Dr. S. Kadirvelu, Principal of Army Institute of Fashion and Design, signing off from Bangalore. Thank you. Thank you once again for all the opportunities.
So, Anji, next participant को बुला दीजिए. I think there is some audio problem with Savanji. Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, Department of
Mechanical Engineering, Jammu.
Good afternoon to all. Firstly,
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
You are
Thanks, ma'am. So, good afternoon to all the participants and organizer, coordinators. Myself, first of all, I introduce myself. I'm Sanjeev Gupta. I'm Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu. I am very thankful to ma'am for such a wonderful FDP organized by the Atal. Last year I attended around 4 FDPs, but that are my core subject like 3D printing and Industry 4.0 and something about refrigerations and air conditioning, etc. But this time I decided that go beyond that and choose some that topic which is relevant and you can say live also. So I enjoy whole these 5 days very much. Attended all the sessions and I like the session by Mondal sir and similarly like Shiva, Dr. Shiva Partiti, all these lectures and today's lecture also by Dr. R.K. Malik. R.K. Malik, R.K. Malik, etc. Similarly, one thing is also very good in Atal programs that they introduce the session on happiness and stress management, etc. So nowadays there is a lot of stress, not due to COVID, you can say pandemic, but teaching load is very high. There is a short of teachers. So these lectures are very helpful, very helpful. Okay. So once again I thanks ma'am. ये जब मैं ये मैम ये ज्वाइन किया था, when I joined this, I remembered that day in 1998 I visited this place, Bhadoi. Then I am an MBA, you can say internship. So I gone there in 1998. So this is after 21 year. I just मेरे को ये याद आ गया, and I will surely come to your college whenever possible or whenever it is allowed after this COVID pandemic. So thanks a lot, Animan. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjeev. I am inviting Dr. Sujata Rani from Andhra Pradesh for her feedback. Dr. Sujata Rani.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon to all. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. R. Sujata Rani, working as a professor in RK College of Engineering, which is working under JNTU Kakinada. I would like to thank Green Technology FDP IICT team for giving me opportunity give feedback about program. All sessions are very informative and valuable these 5 days. I really enjoyed the sessions. It provided me with specific hands-on skills. Why? Because I come from English department. English department. All these topics are new for me. These skills will be valuable in my professional and personal life too. It is encouraging to know that there are techniques that can be used that are understandable and that we can use on a daily basis. All resource persons are very passionate and knowledgeable about their contents. I would recommend everyone if we continue our research and follow their ideas as resource persons will, it's help ourselves as well as others. Due to technical problems, I missed some content, but Dr. Betty ma'am sending us every PPT, so I feel somehow satisfaction. If we attend these sessions offline, we can enjoy more than online. I hope next time ma'am will arrange offline this kind of FTP. Thank you to Green Technology FDP IICT team for making me a part of FTP. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Again, I am inviting another participants, Dr. Anuj Bharadwaj from Chandigarh. Dr. Anuj Bharadwaj, please give his feedback.
I am audible.
Yes, you are
You
audible.
are audible. You
Yeah.
are audible.
Very warm good evening to all. I am Dr. Anuj from Chandigarh University and the man of the computer science. I am really very much thankful to the coordinator, ma'am, Dr. Betty ma'am, for giving this opportunity to share my view on this FDP. During this FDP, it is very knowledgeable in terms of the sustainability, clean and green development in our campus. I really enjoy these days, and I hope you all are also have enjoyed all the session of the FDP. When I was logging the Atal, and when I was selected the FDP topics, more of the computer science men are looking for the AI, machine learning, Python, and so much the topic which is related to the computer science. But I have chosen this because I am working in my university for clean and campus. I am going to develop some sustainability programs, some sustainability development in my university. So the style and knowledge of the resource persons, especially Dr. Sangeeta ma'am, Dr. Mondal, M.K. Mondal sir, who explain deeply in terms of the waste management and what are the sustainability, what are the carbon footprints in our, and how we can manage them. Dr. Parag and Dr. Kedarnath Rao also shared very knowledgeable and amazing information to us. Thank you the again coordinator ma'am for this type of FDP who provides us the valuable information during this FDP. So really this FDP is very helpful to achieve the goals for sustainability in my institutions. Thank you so much again, Dr. Betty ma'am. Really, it is a milestone in my career. That's the first time when I joined this type of green FDP and technology, and I am working the AICT award, Clean and Campus Award. 2 days back, I have given the presentation to the Sandeep sir, who is the Vice President of the Smart Cities. And I have shared the view of that I have attended some of the FDP, which is related to the green and sustainability development. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. I am inviting another participant, Dr. Azu Matthew George, Environmental Engineering from Environmental Engineering, Kerala. Please give feedback. Dr. Azu Matthew George. Dr. Azu Matthew, are you here?
I think there's some connection problem. You can go to the next participant.
Next participant for feedback is Mr. Samiha Eya
No,
from
Miss,
Delhi.
Miss Samiha Idla.
Miss Samiha Eya from Delhi. She is B.Ed student.
Very good morning to all. Hello, I'm Samiha Yaya, a graduate of philosophy and is now pursuing B.Ed from IPU. This workshop on green technology Atal FDP IICT hosted by IICT Badnoi was perfectly organized with the most insightful resource professors. They had clearly explained every point. Although everything was new to me, I had understood most of it. Most of it. It's because it is all because of such mindful speakers, and thanks to Betty Das Gupta ma'am, who had forfeited this workshop by sharing PPTs of professors with us, which has which we can refer and supplement our memory in future. I would like to acknowledge the effort of the organizing committee for giving us this chance to learn so much about sustainable development and green technology. I learned about how we can measure sustainable development, how we can generate fibers produced by synthetic fibers, and a lot of techniques which can be used to minimize waste, capture carbon dioxide, chemical absorption techniques, and dyeing process like cationic dyeing and indigo dyeing used in the textile industry. And in this pandemic of COVID, we were all locked in our homes. I'm sure we had missed the fresh air and the trees and learned that environment is important. And green buildings, which Sir had explained us about, is actually essential for our lives. And environment really affect our psychological well-being. I believed that it would be beneficial to implement what we had learned through this FDP into our daily lives for a better sustainable future. It was my delight to attend almost all sessions of this workshop, and it certainly exceeded my expectations. Thank you so much, Green Technology FDP and ICCT Badoi for organizing this FDP. Thank you again.
Thank you, Ms. Samiha. I request
Shravan
Dr. Yes, ma'am.
अजू जॉर्ज को और एक बार बुला के देखिए.
Yes, ma'am. Aju here.
अच्छा, अभी
Yeah, good afternoon all. Myself, Dr. Aju Mathija. I'm from Kerala. I'm currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Amaljodi College of Engineering. It's been a great pleasure to be a part of this 5-day Adal FDB conducted by IICT Badodi. First of all, I would like to thank all the speakers of the session for such a creative and informative classes. It totally reflects the kind of hard work, time, energy that all the speakers have put in for preparing the excellent lessons. The concepts and the materials present will definitely be incorporated into my resources. I learned several key pieces of information that will greatly improve my process of learning and teaching. Also, a big applause and thank you to Dr. Betty Das Gupta and all other accompanying coordinators from IICT for organizing the 5-day Atal FTP on green technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Reju. I request Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director, Atal Academy, to talk and bless this occasion.
तपन जी गर्ग जी को अनम्यूट किया है ना?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sarvanji. And Betty, ma'am, we are very grateful to you. And Director, sir, Director IS बदोई बहुत हम लोग बेटी मैम लगभग मार्च से हमसे पूछ रही थी कब सैंक्शन होगा प्रोग्राम एंड एवरी टाइम शी वाज आस्किंग कि व्हाट द स्टेटस एंड ऑल दी. मैंने कहा प्लीज मैम पेशेंस एंड वेट. हम लोगों का यहाँ एक पूरा एक कमेटी होता है और ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 5000 प्रपोजल्स आए थे। इट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस अटल प्रोग्राम इज दैट 5000 प्रपोजल्स आए थे, तो उसमें से हम लोगों को केवल 500 प्रोग्राम सैंक्शन करने थे, 500 ऑफलाइन एंड 500 ऑनलाइन। ऑलमोस्ट 5000 प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट से 5000 प्रपोजल्स थे, प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट से। उसमें IIT, IIMs, IIIT, निटर्स एंड ऑल NRF 100 एंड NAC A++। तो इट्स वेरी कहीं ना कहीं हम लोगों को ऐसा लगता था कि कैसे क्या होगा। तो जो हमारी स्क्रूटनी कमेटी थी, इट्स मोस्ट पावरफुल कमेटी, ऑल IIT डायरेक्टर्स एंड बहुत प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स के डायरेक्टर्स वगैरह इन्वॉल्व होते हैं इसमें स्क्रूटनी में। Then luckily it is things happen according to you. We have not done anything. We have not favored any institute. Committee have decided. It is not our efforts. It is your efforts. First, we are very grateful to you. और जिस हिसाब से प्रोग्राम चल रहा है उस हिसाब से हमको लगता है कि नहीं, हाँ, जब बेसिकली हम फीडबैक सुन के बड़े खुश हो जाते हैं। सारे पार्टिसिपेंट जब फीडबैक बोलते हैं तो हमको लगता है हमारा प्रोग्राम बढ़ता है, हमारे प्रोग्राम में क्वालिटी है। जो हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट को प्रोग्राम सैंक्शन करना है, उस हिसाब से ही प्रोग्राम चल रहा है। एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट, और मैं संजीव गुप्ता सर का सुना, वो 1998 में इंस्टीट्यूट को देखा था और उसके बाद में ही इज रिमेम्बरिंग, करे मेरे को भदोही में जब मैं मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग था तब मैं भदोही आया था। एंड all feedback participants are telling wonderful things. It is our purpose. Basically, जो अटल का पर्पज यही है, इट इज ए बुके ना, डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स से एक बुके बन रहा है। ऑलमोस्ट नॉट 9 थ्रस्ट एरियाज तो नहीं है हमारे यहाँ। 9 थ्रस्ट एरियाज सबसे पहले हमने ऑलमोस्ट 17-18 में प्रोग्राम चालू किया था हमने 5 FTPs से, फिर 18-19 में 200 FTPs से स्टार्ट किया, फिर 2021 में हम लोगों का ऑलमोस्ट 948 प्रोग्राम्स हुए, मोर देन 1.5 लाख फैकल्टी ट्रेंड हुआ, वर्ल्ड बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में हमारा ये दर्ज हुआ। एंड इस बार हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट 1500 प्रोग्राम वी आर सैंक्शनिंग ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि फेस टू फेस तो हो नहीं पाया। एक फीडबैक पार्टिसिपेंट में बोल रहे थे कि फेस टू फेस प्रोग्राम होगा तो और ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। डेफिनेट हम वी बिलीव इन फेस टू फेस प्रोग्राम। ऑनेस्टली ये जो FDP थी वो फेस टू फेस ही स्टार्ट होना था हमेशा ही। आज से कोविड से पहले तो कभी हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि ऑनलाइन हमको प्रोग्राम करने पड़ेंगे FDPs। बट हाँ, नो डाउट हैंड्स ऑन ट्रेनिंग का या प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग्स का या फेस टू फेस ट्रेनिंग का अपना एक क्वालिटी होती है, वजूद होता है, हर चीज का एक इमोशनल अटैचमेंट होता है, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन एक। बट कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो कुछ हमारी मजबूरियां थी। बट इस ऐसा भी नहीं, ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम में क्वालिटी आई है। पिछली बार हम डेटा ले रहे थे, डेटा फैच किया था हमने, ऑलमोस्ट 7000 रिसोर्स पर्संस अब्रॉड टोटल ज्वाइन किया था हमको। उसमें से ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 1000 पर्संस हमारे अब्रॉड से थे, उसमें से 32% स्टेट से ही थे। 25 कंट्रीज से लोगों ने हमारे यहाँ एज ए रिसोर्स पर्सन काम किया था, 25 कंट्रीज से। तो हमको ये लगा था जिनको हम पहले नहीं बुला सकते थे, जिन रिसोर्स पर्सन को हम नहीं बुला सकते थे, इस कॉस्ट में नहीं बुला सकते थे, जिस कॉस्ट में हम लोग प्रोग्राम करते थे उस कॉस्ट में कोई नहीं आता था। बट ड्यू टू ऑनलाइन बहुत सारे लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, बहुत सारे NRIs ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, बहुत प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट्स ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया। एंड नो डाउट आप लोग साधुवाद के पात्र हैं कि आप लोगों ने इस प्रोग्राम को इस लेवल पे लेके गए कि एक एक पार्टिसिपेंट ये बोल रहा है कि हाँ प्रोग्राम में बहुत क्वालिटी थी और हम डेली यूज में उसको यूज करेंगे। अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन में तो यूज करेंगे ही करेंगे, बट डेली यूज में भी यूज करेंगे। ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है ये। एंड योर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ इज डिपेंड इन योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड एक्चुअली। तो जो स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है वो क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को गवर्न करता है। एंड दूसरा ये निकल के आ रहा है कि एवरीबॉडी इज फीलिंग प्राइड व्हेन दे आर अटेंडिंग दिस प्रोग्राम, दे आर फीलिंग प्राइड। और जब मैं फीडबैक सुन रहा था तो आई एम फीलिंग प्राइड। मुझे लगा ना, अरे कितना बढ़िया प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, यही तो हम चाहते हैं ऑनेस्टली। एंड मैं फैकल्टी से थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, मैं आई बिलीव इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स। किसी ने बोला कि स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट का जो सेशन किया वो बहुत वंडरफुल सेशन गया, इट्स मोस्ट पावरफुल सेशन। हमारे प्रोग्राम में पिछली बार हम 948 प्रोग्राम्स में स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट का एक सेशन रखा था, उसका बहुत अप्रिशिएशन मिला हमको। इस बार हमने थोड़ा सा और में इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम को भी डाल दिया है, NEP को भी डाल दिया है, और भी जो भी चाहे कोऑर्डिनेटर कुछ भी चाहे कर सकते, पर आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाके कुछ कर सकते। मैं फैकल्टी से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, फील प्राइड इन प्रोफेशन. Feel pride. You are the most powerful person in society. Teacher is the most powerful person. But he have to feel the pride. And he is number one. He is unique. And he is the luckiest person in the world, I'm telling. And every time he have to feel pride. And sometimes we are thinking we are not successful. मेरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट व्यू है. What is the sign of success? Sign of success is not a career. Sign of not success is a degree. Sign of success is not a Bangalore, not a bank balance. Sign of success is your smile. If you are smiling in every condition, you are successful. But teacher every time is smiling, I'm telling. I love my teachers when I was in engineering. Still till today I'm remembering the face of teachers, smiling face of teachers. It is a sign of success. And one thing I want to tell, don't do football of others' opinion. You are unique. Again, I'm telling. भाई आपका जैसा कोई दूसरा हो नहीं सकता ना. First, you are unique and you are the luckiest person. And last but not least, say yes every time. I'm telling the faculty, say yes every time. When you are saying yes, your consciousness have broadened. When you are saying no, your consciousness have contract. If you want to more creative, more innovative, more enthusiastic, please say yes every time. When you are saying yes, nature support you. Everybody will support you. If you want to say no, first say yes, then say no. Really, if you want to say no, somebody telling कि मेरा ये काम करना है, but आप कह रहे ये मेरे, it is not my purview. It is not my purview. मैं नहीं कर सकता. First say yes and work on it. It is active yes, not passive yes. Then say no. Then things will change. And it's the most powerful thing in my life. Some unseen force is there, my dears. Some divine power is there. Feel it. Every time, every second is with you. But you have to feel it. And you have to be grateful for everything what you have. हम लोग तो मैं जनरली बात करता हूँ कि मैक्सिमम आपके पास बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हैं, बट आप हमेशा कमियों पे बात करते हैं. आप जितने ज्यादा अपनी कमियों पर बात करें वो कमियां आती जाएंगी, पर जितने अच्छी चीजों पर बात करेंगे उतनी अच्छी चीज होती जाएगी. इट्स फैक्ट. जब हम लोगों ने अटल स्टार्ट किया था तो हम लोग किसी को ये उम्मीद नहीं था कि अटल इस हाइट पे जाएगा. बट सोनी जी एंड वी यूज्ड टू सिट, वी यूज्ड टू ड्रीम कि नहीं वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एकेडमी बनाएंगे अपन इसको, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कोर्सेज करेंगे, जो वर्ल्ड में कोर्स चल रहे हैं उनसे बढ़िया बढ़िया कोर्स बनाएंगे अपन लोग. थिंग्स हैपन. It is really a effortless program. But nature support you. Everybody, you type of coordinator support blindly. And we are very grateful to all coordinators of institutions. More than, यदि आप अपने इस प्रोग्राम में देखेंगे, आप देखेंगे कम से कम 25 स्टेट पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इस प्रोग्राम में. मोर देन 100 इंस्टीट्यूशंस होंगे इस प्रोग्राम में कम से कम. लास्ट ईयर में डेटा देख रहा था, हर प्रोग्राम में ऑलमोस्ट 20 to 20 स्टेट्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे. तो एक प्रोग्राम में, किसी प्रोग्राम में 25 स्टेट्स या 20 स्टेट्स काम पार्टिसिपेट करते, इससे बड़ा क्या अचीवमेंट हो सकता है. फेस टू फेस प्रोग्राम में तो आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने नियर डियर्स को ही बुलाते थे, आसपास के लोग आ जाते थे, जो उसके बाद नहीं. एंड प्लीज क्रिएट एनर्जी इन you. When you are energetic when you are enthusiastic things happen according to you. It is depend on your energy. If you are really enthusiastic people will be enthusiastic. If you are low, people will feel low. Agree or not? So you should be enthusiastic, you should be energetic. And energy ke liye just I used to tell the 4 things. First, food. Check your food. Check your food. Food is the most powerful source of energy. It is a long topic, but check your food. जो food आपको लगता है ये energy देता है वही खाया है. Second, sleep. Don't curtail the sleep. Don't curtail. 6 से 8 घंटे सोना है तो सोना ही सोना. It's the most powerful source of energy. I'm telling. Third, be with a good company. Check your company. यदि आपको लगता है कि एनर्जी कहीं डाउन है, लो है, please check your company. Be with good books. Be with good friends. I'm telling, most powerful. And last source of energy is breathe. Please check your breathing patterns and all these things. Do more yoga, pranayam, meditations. It's the most powerful thing in my life. Most powerful thing in life. Meditation have a lot of powers. Yoga have more. When you have conflict in mind, do more yoga. When you are feeling low energy, do more yoga. Things will change. Your attitude will change. And Swami Vivekananda used to tell, sound mind, sound body. ये होगा ही होगा, पक्की बात है. इट्स 100% फैक्ट. बी विद गुड बुक्स. आई एम टेलिंग, जो यदि बुक पढ़ने की आदत है ना आपको, और स्पेशली फैकल्टी को है ही है, बट ड्यू टू द सम सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल दिस, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप एंड ऑल, they have wasted a lot of times. Just it is my humble request to all. I'm very grateful to all the faculty members, coordinators and director. Really, you have contributed a lot. Last but not least, जो आपने सीखा है ना, वो जरूर यूज करें, हर हाल में यूज करें, दादागिरी से यूज करें. मैं एक लास्ट सेंटेंस बोलना चाहूंगा. अच्छे लोग दादागिरी नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए थोड़ा समाज में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है. अच्छे लोग दादागिरी करेंगे तो समाज में बहुत कुछ बदलाव आ जाएगा. अच्छे लोग बात करते हैं, काम कम करते हैं. बुरे लोग काम कर जाते हैं, बात नहीं करते. अच्छे लोगों को दादागिरी करनी पड़ेगी, और बिल्कुल खुल के दादागिरी करनी पड़ेगी. एक छोटा सा कहानी से मैं यहाँ खत्म करना चाहूंगा. छोटा सी कहानी है कि एक बॉय लैग था, पूरी क्लास बैठी हुई थी, तो प्रोफेसर ने पूछा, भाई बॉय लैग को सीधा कौन रख सकता है? तो कोई नहीं आया. एक लास्ट बेंचर, बैक बेंचर आया, उसने टक से अंडे को नीचे ठोका, रख दिया सीधा. तो भीड़ चिल्लाई, बोले तो हम भी कर सकते थे. तो फिर प्रोफेसर बोला, किया क्यों नहीं? जब आप कर सकते थे तो किया क्यों नहीं? You are waiting for the opportunity, but opportunity is in abundance. Everywhere. स्ट्रेस पता है किस बात का है? स्ट्रेस है कंपटीशन का. Go in contribution, don't go in competition. When you are contributing, there is no stress. When you are in competition, there is stress. और यदि कंपटीशन करना है ना आपको, अपने साथ करें. आप अपने साथ करें, डेली करें, हर मिनट करें. आप कहीं अब और अच्छा करूंगा, इससे अच्छा करूंगा. But when you are competing with others, you will be in stress. Please go in contribution. You will be the happiest person in the world, and always you are happy. First, you have to feel that I am number one, I am unique. आपका जैसे इस दुनिया में कोई है क्या, ये बता दो मुझे. तो आपका जैसे कोई नहीं है ना दुनिया में. You are number one. Always you are number one. But we are comparing to others. That's why we are feeling low. Please feel you are the luckiest person in the world. You are the part of divine. You are number one. You are unique. Really, you are unique. सवेरे उठ के जब भी अपना चेहरा देखें तो you are the most handsome, beautiful person in the world. Think it. Thank you to ma'am. And Betty ma'am, you are always smiling. JD group हमारा था UKRI में. Madam is our partners in some programs. And thank you to all. And all participants, I am telling, we are with you. Every time we are with you. AICT is with you. Don't feel alone. एक भी पार्टिसिपेंट अपने आप को अकेला महसूस नहीं करे, कहीं भी किसी भी तरीके से. We are with you. Every time we are with you. You can drop us, WhatsApp anytime. And we are with, our chairman is with you, our vice chairman is with you, our director is with you. Really, ऐसा सिनेरियो मैं नहीं सोच सकता कि AICT में कभी ऐसा सिनेरियो आएगा. कि it is our golden period actually. मतलब now chairman is listening everything. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for his blessings and sharing your experience. We have Mr. Manoj Agrawal, consultant for sustainable technologies. He is our one of the resource person of this program. I request Mr. Manoj Agrawal to talk and bless this occasion.
Thank you, sir. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir.
So I want to start by congratulating the faculty, the amazing members of the premier engineering institutes of our country. I'm sure this last 5-day programs on recent developments in sustainable processes must have, I thought it might have tired you out. But listening to all the responses, I'm sure you all enjoyed the program thoroughly. At the same time, I think now you also better appreciate how some of your students must be feeling attending online lectures for the last entire year. So I was reading the summary of all the sessions so thoughtfully provided to me by Dr. Betty Dasgupta, the host of this program representing the great people who teach how to make carpets from sheep's hair. So I realized that I must have been the black sheep here. Look, here I am talking about risks to livelihood due to sustainable technologies when everyone is talking about recent technologies. Talking about people friendliness when most of the talks are about environmental friendliness. So while advocating for equity, I do realize that equitable distribution is not the ultimate answer. So Dr. Varghese Kurian has shown us that we can beat the best at their own game, the best of the corporates, and that too regardless of the starting position. So I feel that, which you all have, but I'm sure just even at the expense of repeating, that we all must have a mindset of lifelong learning. Looking at Industry 4.0 and all the faculty development programs, I'm sure we are all prepared for multiple careers, jobs that cannot be automated. And we'll all get used to working with, comfort with robots. But I guess to sustain livelihoods, we have to spread that mindset to very, very large number of people. And here I would take recourse to what Mr. Girdarela Garg just said, that good people must do Dadagiri. So one of the small articles I published on LinkedIn started by saying nice people finish last and then they die. So we must contribute to compete, because when we contribute, we stand up to the wrong practices, whether they are from some local industries, misguided people or foreigners or people from within. So what Dr. Varghese Kurian explained to us or demonstrated with Amul is that when we collaborate, when we get into collaborative structures, we can contribute to the world, we can contribute to ourselves, and we can compete. So my call is this: should we really stop at constant learning? Should we just, what about converting all the arduous work that you put into learning into ever increasing earning? I think we should collaborate on a larger and larger scale. And this pandemic has shown us that collaboration on a very large scale is possible. Just this kind of program were not possible 2 years before. So I feel that many times theory and practice, engineering and management are mixed up in a way that makes both of them useless for the team as a whole. So I think they must work together instead. We must separate out the theory from management and let them work to cut down the waste in the deepest parts of the supply chain, the whole supply chain, so we can make things faster, better, more competitively. And we can share the results with all the participants. So all that I would like to say is that for those who decide to act here, a small step at a time, a tiny step with focus, involving as many people as possible, doing practical experiences, projects with the industries that are in your own area of influence, with the students whom you can teach how to put technology to use in the area where they will be allowed to work and not just change the technology. I think that will go a long way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. I request our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor Dr. Alok Kumar, to talk and bless this occasion. Director, sir, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. I'm very thankful to AICT for allocating this Atal 5-day program on recent development in the sustainable processes. It was a wonderful experience, and it was, I must congratulate the coordinators, Dr. Betty Gupta and Dr. Shravan Kumar, who organized this program in such a beautiful manner without any hitches for last 5 days in a wonderful way. From the feedback, it's very much clear that most of the participants have benefited from this informative program. I must especially thank all the resource person, namely Dr. Shiva Pariti, Dr. Sangeeta Pradhan, Dr. N.K. Mondal, Dr. Nitu Jha, Dr. Suman Deepak Mundukur, Dr. Mr. Manoj Agrawal, Dr. Parag Deep Bogate, Dr. A. Sri Kumar, and Dr. A.K. Malik, etc. All the deliveries were very informative and useful, as is evident from the feedback that I received from all the participants. I think all the participants have benefited from it. We hope to conduct many such online seminars in days to come. I must introduce ICT through this program. ICT is a technical autonomous institute funded by central government, funded by Office of Handicraft Development Commission, Handicraft, under aegis of Textile Ministry, Government of India. This BTEC program in carpet and textile technology is a unique program and only of its kind in Asia. It is affiliated to AK2 Lucknow, approved by AICT, accredited by Textile Institute, Manchester, UK. Till date, we had almost 100% placement. It is located in the carpet belt of Bhadoi, which is just 40 kilometers away from Varanasi. And this belt, around 6,000 crores worth of carpet is exported annually. So, with these words, now different speakers have made different contribution. I'm very thankful to them. Like Dr. Shiva gave wonderful talk on sustainable developments and challenges. Dr. Madan stressed on 3 primary objectives of sustainable development: economic growth, environmental protection, social inclusion. Dr. Nitu Jha on nanomaterials, synthesis techniques, properties, applications, etc. Professor A.K. Mandal of IIT BHU gave a wonderful talk on using different amines for carbon dioxide capture and compression of different amines. Dr. Suman Mandukur, 9 hours of sustainability. Mr. Manoj Agrawal on use of management system and technology on the sustainable development of an organization and country itself. Professor Parag, civilization as novel technology for process. And likewise, Mr. Rakesh Verma on health and happiness. Dr. R.K. Malik, all green process chemical free animal for metal complex dyes. And last but not the least, the talk was by Gilghar Lalgar, Assistant Director. AICT was very wonderful. that we must all smile. We must all be happy in all conditions, come what may. That is the crux of life. With all these words, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. At last, I invite Dr. Betty Das to come in to express vote of thanks.
Respected dignitaries and my dear participants, it has been a week-long association, and now the time has come to say goodbye. And for me, goodbye means staying safe and healthy till we meet again. We are overwhelmed by the feedback received from the participants, and that really reminds me of a song, I'm on the top of the world, looking down at the creation. Thank you, participants. Thank you for the wonderful feedback. One of the purposes of FDP is to acquire knowledge through new learnings. But another bigger advantage is meeting new people, networking with the new identities, and maintaining connections, all for your professional use, all for the benefit of your students. Our country is one of the countries that have the highest number of educational institutions and a large number of teaching faculty, even though insufficient, are working, and programs like this FDP stresses on the importance of upgrading ourselves. Last week, I myself attended one FDP and 3 more to go this particular year. Thank you, AICTE Atal Academy, for starting such a wonderful venture when we are constantly learning ourselves. As participants, you all did your level best, cooperated with us whenever we requested for coordinating the session, summarizing the session, for starting the session on time, etc. After all, you all are also responsible faculty from different parts of the country. My duty over here today is to express thanks to each and everyone associated with the program. First of all, we express thanks to AICTE Atal Academy for sanctioning this program to our institute. And I didn't know this sanctioning was this difficult. Out of 5,500 got selected. Thank God. Thank you, AICTE. And the timely dispersal of funds. Our special thanks to Dr. Soni and Dr. Garg. He rightly said, say yes in all walks of life. Again, that reminds me of my mother who used to tell me, the more usage of yes will bring more happiness in your life. But she used it in a different context. She used, considering me as a female, she used that sentence while leading a married life. If you say yes, you will be much more happier. But then, sir, today is talking about the professional life also. Sir, your unique speech gave us lots of motivation. We thank our institute chairman, Sri Shantamanu IAS, Development Commissioner, Handicrafts, Ms. Mudita Misra, Additional Development Commissioner and Vice Chairman of the Institute. And our heartfelt thanks to Professor Dr. Alok Kumar, Director of the Institute, who has given us all the administrative approvals on time to start the program on time. Big thanks to Dr. Shravan Kumar Gupta, who worked as coordinator, gave me suggestions throughout. Dr. Anu Misra, thank you for making press releases in Hindi. Darpan, our technical team member, who was invisible most of the time, but spent maximum time for the successful running of the program. I really enjoyed working with you. Vajpayee, our designer who designed the brochure, banner, certificates then and there. And he was also working unseen but contributed a lot to this. My big thanks to Mr. Durgesh Tripathi, our accounts officer, and Dr. Mr. Siddharth Shukla, our security officer. Lockdown was going on. I stay out of the campus. For the mandate form, Durgesh ji had to run in this heat from bank to director's office, and he did everything on time, and we could do everything on time. Our participants, a big clap to all of you for attending the classes, asking questions, making the session interactive. Without your active participation, we couldn't have called this program successful. We take this opportunity to thank all the resource persons who were kind enough to share the knowledge and spending the time with us. My gratitude to the persons from the print media for their coverage of this program in newspaper. Thank God Almighty for keeping us safe and healthy. We all could attend this program, for avoiding any technical glitches while working in remote location, for keeping our resource persons healthy so that they could log in on right time. I hereby apologize if I haven't mentioned anyone knowingly or unknowingly. God forgive me. With these words, I end my vote of thanks. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, have a smiling face. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So with this, the Girdarilal Garguji, special thanks to you for coming in. Sir, now you can log out. Let me talk to the participants regarding the exam. Our exam is pending. Okay, thank you, sir.